Good Sunday morning, you guys. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a super short, I think it's just about 5-minute video. I just taped the essential parts of my craft, and it's a Dollar Tree craft. And I only spent $3 except for the paint that I had, the hot glue, and some glitter and some Mod Podge, which if you buy it at Dollar Tree, then you spend $4. And it's super adorable, just in time for Easter. So if you like it, maybe you have time to go grab the things at the Dollar Tree and make it for yourself. It's super adorable, simple, easy, and inexpensive. I hope you enjoy the video and that you'll be there for my next one. I hope you all take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Here are the things I'm going to use to make this project from Dollar Tree items. I did not end up using those blocks right there. I did print some letters on my Cricut, and I already painted the little bunnies in different colors, and I'm going to paint the board now. I removed the twine from the top because I'm just gonna get my own piece of twine. It's a little bit of better quality, and I had bought that at Dollar Tree as well, but you don't need to remove it. You can use the one that's on there. And I'm going to paint the entire board with Apple Barrel Antique White. Then I got some Mod Podge and I added a little bit of glitter into it, and I'm just going to do the border of the frame with this Mod Podge with glitter, and it's just gonna look really cute because the Mod Podge will dry and you won't see it at all. Now it's time to transfer the letters that I printed from my Cricut with some transfer tape onto my board. Now my bunnies have dried, and it's time to see where I want to place them. They're so cute. I did add a little bit of glitter to the Mod Podge that I added after I painted them, and they look really adorable. Okay, you guys, and there's just one more word that I did print out from the Cricut with a different font, and it's in a larger size, and I'm just going to transfer that now. And then I'm going to get to working into hot gluing the bunnies with the adorable cottontails all on the board. All of the bunnies have been hot glued on the board, and look at this, you guys. There's no bunny like you. Isn't that just adorable? Okay, so now I am going to work on putting these wooden beads into the twine that's gonna be the hanging piece to the board. And this completes my project, you guys. What do you think? Isn't that just the cutest? I think it's adorable. Those little rabbits with their cute cottontails, the colors, the glitter around the border of the frame, and those wooden beads all came together really well. I love the way that it turned out, and I hope that you have a chance to make something special for Easter. Here it is hanging on my wall. I love what it says as well. There's no bunny like you. So anyway, you guys, I want to thank you once again for watching my channel. Thank you for commenting. And if you're not subscribed, I hope that you'll consider subscribing. And I'll hope to see you on my next video. So take care, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.